guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So we are on episode 2 of week 2 of Dee Dee's 3 and 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas video or challenge series. And I am not doing Christmas theme and I'm just using up some scraps here today. These are some Prima, these are Prima papers. I think it's Flirty Floor is the name of the paper pack. I cut these so they'll be 4 by 4, I believe. Yep. When they are all finished, and I am going to do 3 different styles. So I'm going to have a top loading, a right side loading, and a left side loading. So let me go ahead and first we will cut our thumb holes. What I did, let me just slow down a second. So we have a 4 by 4 square as the base, and then this piece is 4 inches by 2 3/4, and then this piece is 4 inches by 2 inches. So, and that's the same for all of them. And I'm going to put my thumb hole in hopefully the center-ish. You know, it'll be close. Oof, that just exploded, didn't it? So at least that'll be the same, you know, this way. It might not be exactly centered, but I'm gonna do that for all of them here real quick. There we go. And so this one was my, right side loading, and, or left side, whatever, whichever, it doesn't matter, right? All right, so I hope you're all having a good day. It's still Monday here, but I think it is Wednesday in your world. I am filming these all ahead of time for the week. So, all right, that's that. And then we can go ahead and ink the parts that we won't be able to get to later. And I'm using Hickory Smoke, since this was sort of a black, you know, this has like black tones, this paper pad. And this should be a very quick video. I can't imagine anything going wrong. Famous last words, right? You know. But honestly, this is a pretty simple pocket, and I think I will be able to accomplish it thoroughly in the allotted time. So I'm super excited about that. Even though I'm not timing, I know you guys keep laughing at me in the comments. I said from the beginning that I wasn't going to worry about the time, and I'm not setting a timer, but you know, I mean, the title is 3 and 15, so I feel like I have to at least try to stay within that a little bit, right? All right, let's go ahead and glue our pieces, and we will round the corners when we're done, and that will be the end of it. Super simple. Just using my Barely Art glue here. You could sew these, definitely. I'm not going to take the time for that this time. I sewed the last batch just because I had to, honestly. Not that I don't like how it looks when they're sewn, but not, you know, I could always go back and sew these later if I wanted to, but for now we're just going to glue. And I do not have a project in mind. I think I said on Monday in the last video, which would have been Monday, that, you know, I was waiting for ink for my printer so that I can continue with my design team project for Tina. My printer died and I got a new one right away, but I used up the, you know, initial ink cartridges within about 5 minutes, and I'm just waiting for, you know, my next instant ink shipment, which should be arriving today, but my mail has not been arriving, or I haven't been getting my mail when I'm supposed to, and others have also not been getting it from me. I think I'm not the only one that's having issues. I have heard that there are some issues with the post office, and it's not just, you know, in my neck of the woods, but nothing I can do about that. So I'm just waiting. Let's see, that one goes this way. All right, and then this one goes this way. So honestly, this paper is not terribly directional. It's sort of all over the place, but I thought it would be nice to have 3 different versions, just something different. Oops. All right, there we go. Now we can hopefully chop our corners and then ink around, and we will be done. I think we're going to be done in less than 10 minutes, guys. Yay! That's cause to celebrate. All right, let's cap the glue. Maybe. Come on. There we go. All right. I'm hoping that this will go through all of that. There we go. Just requires a little extra strength that I don't really have, but it's working, so I'll go with it. Oh, all right, and that one was, oh goodness. See, now I can't remember which one is which. That one goes up and down. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. Okay. I have the, oh, wow, okay. That took way too much hand strength. I ordered the We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and I'm hoping that that will be a little easier on my hands. So we'll just go ahead and ink around this whole thing, and then we'll be finished, guys. Super easy pockets. And make sure you check out Dee Dee's videos. I will link to her original explanation video in the description box below, and then I will also have my playlist will be popping up on the screen here in a few seconds, and you can go and check out all the other videos in my series if you'd like, if you have not watched them yet. And there we go. All right, all done, guys. Woohoo! 9 minutes. All right, there we go, guys. I hope that that was inspiring for you. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos as I upload them. All right, guys, have a fabulous day. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.